Hey and hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Null Man. Today we gonna see some hands-on on alter statements. It is also part of DDL statements, and last tutorial we have seen about the create statement, how we had created a table, we had inserted some rows, and then we have checked, applying some conditions. Yes, today we gonna see some alter statements, some adding a column to a table, adding constraint to that any column present in the table, and then we'll check it out. Okay, so let's create a table similar to what table we have created in the last tutorial. So I had already saved some queries, made it ready. So this table we are going to create ot.persons. So it has a column person ID, title, first name, last name. Person ID you can see it is declared as a primary key, and also this defines the sequence, auto-populating sequence. So when you are inserting, no need to insert for the person ID column, Oracle will insert by default. And then title is a varchar, first name and last name both are varchar, and it's also defined as not null. So let's create this table. So let's create this table. Table has been created. Yes, let's insert these three rows. You can see I'm not inserting any values for person ID column. So three rows inserted, commit it. So you can see three rows has been inserted, and you can also see the person ID it's been auto populated, right? So now let's get into alter. So you can see this is the syntax of the alter statement, adding a column to the table. So alter table followed by table name, add column name, the new column name which we want to give, and the data type, and then constraint if needed. So let's add a column to this table. As let's create a date column. So alter table ot dot per sorry ot dot persons, add created date, data type going to be date. Add it. So it has been added. It has been added. Correct? Yes. So if you want to add multiple columns, what how it should be? Nothing. In the same alter statement, you, you just put on open braces after column name, data type, put a comma, followed by next column name 2, followed by data type, whatever data type you want, and comma, and then like that you can create a multiple columns. And then close it. Like this you can create a you can add a multiple columns in the single statement. So this is how. So now let's add a constraint. You have to use a constraint keyword, and then followed by the constraint name you have to give. So I'm gonna use check constraint. So there are types of constraints: primary key, foreign key, unique key, not null, default, check. So let's add a check constraint now for a column title. Okay, so let's give a constraint name, um, title check, just for example, guys. And check of, so which column we are gonna give title in semester miss, sorry, So let's try. So person has been altered again. So now you can see. So we had added a constraint to the table. Now let's try to insert some data apart from these three values for the title, and then we'll see what is happening. So I am giving mess no. So I am giving the title as Miss Anuja. Let's see what is happening. So it's throwing the error. What is check constraint violated? Because the check constraint we had inserted, it should have only Mr., MS and MRS, Mrs., not any other than those three. So let's put the MS, and then if we try to insert the same record, one row got inserted. Let's comment it, and then let's see, it would have been inserted. See the identity? 4 has been skipped because when we are trying to insert it got failed. So now it is in. Okay. So now if you want to um, remove, drop the column or drop the constraint, how do you do? So same alter statement. So alter table name ot.persons drop column, and then column name you have to give. Let's drop the created date column. So it has been altered. So let's see now the table what's happening. So that created date column has been dropped. Now let's drop the constraint we created, that also. Alter table ot.persons, sorry, constraint. So constraint name we have to give title check. So it has been altered. So now what we will do is let's insert some other values other than the whatever that we have given. So now let's insert miss. Same Anujaya we will insert. What is happening? We'll see. So row has been inserted. Commit it. Let's query and check. So now it has been inserted because the constraint has been removed now. So that's it, guys. So alter statement, adding a column, adding a constraint, and then we dropped as well. So see you soon in the next tutorial. We'll see the further topics. Please like the video. If any doubts, please comment it down. Please subscribe. Bye, guys.